So our duck, Coach, loves the pancakes I make for our daughter who has a peanut allergy. And we worked with an allergist to do microdosing so that she doesn't have a anaphylactic reaction. And so she doesn't always finish her plate, but Coach loves them. And so Connor just ran down to go grab her. Coach, I got pancakes! This is her favorite treat. Coach, come here, happy girl. Come here. Come here. Sweet thing. Ooh, happy duck. She loves them. Coach, you want more? Don't share with your boyfriends. Come here, Coachy. Come on, finish your plate. Come here. Champy, get out of the way. Oh, that was rude. Here, baby. You want the last bite? Good job.